the topic we are going to see is HTML. Okay, so HTML means hypertext markup language. Okay, so this is a tag based script level language. Okay, so this HTML is used to design a web page. Okay, see for example, see here. Okay, so okay, I'm writing TNU. Okay, okay, if we open this one. Okay, this is website. Okay, this is website. Okay, TNE website. So if you open this website, you can see web pages. Okay, this is web pages. Okay, so to mostly they will write the web pages by using HTML. Okay, see here. You can see here. Okay, they written by here .html. Okay, so the web pages. Okay, this is web pages. Okay, so this web page can be written by using HTML. Okay, so there are many languages there. So commonly they will use HTML language. Okay, hypertext markup language. Okay, so HTML is a okay, HTML is a tag based language, tag based script level programming language. Okay, so it is used to design web pages. Okay, HTML. Okay, so we will write this HTML language in a Notepad or Notepad++. Okay, so we will write this HTML language in Notepad or Notepad++. Okay, so and we will execute this. Okay, we will execute this code in the web browser. Okay, so first we will write the this code HTML in a Notepad or Notepad++. Okay, so after that we will execute this code in the web browser. Okay, so web browser we can use in IE Internet Explorer, okay, or Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. Okay, okay, so first we will see some code tags. Okay, so these are basic tags of HTML. Okay, so the tag is HTML tag. Okay, that is basic tag to start, and body tag, and head tag, and title tag, and H1 means heading tag, and P means writing paragraph tag, and BR means break the line tag. For table we will use the table tag, and for TR means to write the table row, and TD means to write the table data, and TH means to write the table heading. Okay, and UL means to write unordered list. LI means okay used to list the elements. Okay, and A means anchor tag. Okay, anchor tag means the tag used to create hyperlink. Okay, and HR means horizontal line, and IMG means image tag, and mark means for writing scrolling text, and SUP means to create superscript, and SUB means to create subscript. Okay, so these are basic tags. Okay, okay, so in HTML there are many tags there, but these are basic tags. Okay, so we are going to see some basic tags. Okay, how to write the web pages. Okay, by using HTML program. Okay, so first step is you want to search here. Okay, Notepad. Okay, so in the search blog. Okay, so you want to search Notepad. Okay, okay, so this is Notepad. Okay, so in this you can see. Okay, this is Notepad. Okay, so we will write the HTML in the Notepad. Okay, so okay, the HTML code will always start from HTML tag. See here. Okay, the HTML code will always start from the HTML tag. Okay, HTML tag. Okay, so for example, I'm giving a heading like this. Heading. Okay, and title, TITLE, title. Okay, sample web page. Okay, so in HTML there is two tags there. Okay, one is opening tag. Okay, this is opening tag. Okay, and there will be closing tag will be there. Okay, so closing tag will be the closing tag will start with \n. Okay, backslash. Okay, so there is so this is opening tag. Okay, so okay, this is opening tag, and the closing tag will be like this. Okay, start with \. Okay, so in the HTML there will be two tags. Okay, one is opening tag. Okay, another is closing tag. Okay, so first step is you want to write HTML. Okay, this is starting tag. Okay, HTML tag. Okay, so okay, after that I am writing a body of the page. Okay, so body tag. Okay, wait, I am writing. Okay, for example, I am writing my first page like this. Okay, body tag. Okay, so there will be opening tag. Okay, that is opening tag is body tag, and the closing tag will start with \. Tag. Okay, okay, so closing tag will start with \. Okay, so only the body region will be okay, whatever we wrote inside the body, okay, will be visible in the web pages. Okay, and then closing. Okay, this is the basic structure of HTML. Okay, basic structure of HTML, this one. Okay, so first we will start with the HTML tag. Okay, and then okay, and then body tag will be there. Okay, okay, after writing this code, okay, you want to save the file. Okay, so you can save as. Okay, so in save as you create all files. Okay, in all files you type some name. For example, I am typing web. Okay, so you want to give the file extension name, that is .html. Okay, so while saving you want to save like .html. Okay, so first you want to write the name. Okay, I am writing name as web. Okay, and then you want to write the file extension name. Okay, that is .html. Okay, and then I am saving in. Okay, after saving you can see. Okay, here is the web. Okay, here is the so this is the web page. Okay, that is we written. So this one we are executing in the web browser. Okay, so this is okay, that is the HTML code we are writing in the notepad. Okay, that is we write the HTML code in the notepad. Okay, okay, after writing we will execute this code in the web browser. Okay, web browser is used to execute the code. Okay, see here you can see that. Okay, only the okay, so in the web page the name is my first web page. Okay, so only the body region is visible. Okay, so whatever you written inside the body will be visible in the web pages. Okay, okay, and see here. Okay, that the web page title is sample web page. Okay, so here I written sample web page like this.